Good morning, everyone. I'm Gabriele Coassin, a nice old Italian guy living nearby Venice. I started making cyanotypes and large contact lumen print photograms in the 70s. I rediscovered Anthotype with my young students a few years ago. It's fun to see how passionate they become about slow procedures. I don't like killing living flowers. To make anthotypes, I collect the faded petals, let them dry, and when I have enough, I experiment with new sensitive emulsions. I remain faithful to the origins, no digital negatives printed on plastic sheets, only natural contact compositions or negatives on cellulose fiber photographic paper. I share the pleasure of going back to the origins. That's all. Forks.